Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to see member list on Discord server. We will start by opening Discord. When accessing on the desired server and channel, click on Show Member List. You will see on the side of the app the active members of that server. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.